Okay, this is the Acer Aspire X. I'll include the actual model number and the details, but what we're looking at is upgrading the video and adding two USB 3.0 ports. We got the PCI Express ports here, and when you put in your cards, you do one at a time, and I've already put in the video card, and I am now about to put in the USB cards. Now, for those that are doing this the first time, when you do this, just disconnect your video card slightly, lift up, and give it about quarter to a half inch of space here, and that little gappage, when you lift up on it, what it does is it splits that metal plate right there that holds it into place. Some people get it behind it, and that's incorrect. What happens is it makes it kind of loose. So you want to make sure you get that correctly right there in that spot. So if not, it'll look like a solid piece, and you can see that there's a gap in there. And so that gap is where you slide that tongue in there. It makes it a lot easier. And once it's up and running, I'll include details about the graphics card as well, but the GPU is super quiet. I was very impressed with how quiet this machine is. If you were to describe it, I would say it's whisper quiet. So for a low profile micro ATX, it's actually not bad. The power supply, the PSU, was a little tricky. I don't know if anyone would end up doing it the way I have, but I can include details on the PSU as well. 300 watts gave me the provided power for all of the units, plus an extra 10, which was perfect for the 3.0 card that I'm going to put in it. So I've got all the required power plus 10 by doing a 300 watt from a, I believe this one was a 260 watt, something odd like that. But anyway, I figured I would share that, since there's really nothing out there, not that you can find as far as details on how to do this without giving the really specific details that you need, such as this. So if you have any questions, just let me know.